Is up, YouTube? Let me ask you something. Do you know what the one thing is that I will always buy more of, no matter how advanced I get, no matter how big of a name I become in this industry? I always am going to buy more. The answer is very simple. It's high quality PLR content. And I'm going to explain why in just a moment. It's all coming up in my review of Instagram Reels. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, it's actually very simple. It's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull it off successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, and by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Go ahead and feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as painful to listen to as well. A COVID-19 test. Have you ever had one of those things? I just had one today because I was on a plane, just moved back to New York. Boy, that thing is uncomfortable. Anyway, hopefully I'm good. You know, I'm pretty careful, but wow, I really don't want to do that thing again. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, seriously, you followed me across the ocean to New York? Can't you get yourself a new line? Bother somebody else for a change. Do you know how annoying that guy is? All the time, yakety. You'd think it gives him a new line. Seriously, folks, let's put a petition together to the Simpsons to get him a new line. Seriously, though. The way things work here, if I like a product, I will tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. See, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart, you know. Yeah, and she says the same thing all the time also, but I can't get angry at Liz. You know, I even watched her on the plane on the way here. She's such a sweetheart. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure that you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video and comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, welcome. We are on the sales page for the Instagram Reels PLR package. Now, before I do anything else, I want to show you all the way at the bottom over here. Let's scroll all the way down, actually. Let's see if I can use this. Here we go. Okay. Check this out. This is the current price. $8.58 is the current price for the PLR package from my friend Vikram from Fire Launchers. Okay, now what does PLR stand for? PLR stands for private label rights. What that means is that you have the legal right when you purchase this product. You can put your own name on it. You can give it a different name. You can say, this is my Instagram Insane course, or my Grammy course. Whatever you want to call it, you're allowed to call it whatever you like. All right? And that's going to be your right to do this. No matter what you do with it, you get the right to call it that. Okay, I'm also going to tell you that I am giving you some insane bonuses when you pick this up. First of all, I'm giving you the right to have master resale rights. And I'll explain to you what that means in just a second. Getting master resale rights to my original email success secrets course. Now, this is a course that I created a while back. It's actually been expanded. It's going to be a full-fledged product launch coming in November. But the original version of the 5-video mini course, you get master resale rights to it, meaning that you're allowed to give it away, sell it, do whatever you want with it pretty much. The only thing you can't do with it, you can't rebrand it, you can't put your own name on it, so you can't call it email Mighty Mike course or whatever you want to call it. You can only call it email success secrets. You do have to have my name on it, but if you purchase any upgrade to the Instagram Reels package, then you get the full PLR rights. I'm going to send you a link with the actual videos. You can download them, give them away, sell them, put your own name on it, say that you hired me to create it for you. Whatever you want, you can do with it pretty much. So you have a much more latitude when you get PLR as opposed to MRR. MRR basically stands for Master Resale Rights. You're allowed to resell it. You're allowed to give it away. You're just not allowed to rebrand it like you can with PLR. Okay, so that's number one. Beyond that, I'm giving you 5 ebooks that you can actually have full PLR on. And as I was thinking about this, one of the big things about PLR is that you really want to have your own name. So I'm going to actually send you a secret website that I found that's going to help you to pick out a cool name for whatever product you want. You tell them a little bit about what the product is about, and it helps you pick out a cool domain name that is available that you can actually use for your product. So that's a really, really nice thing to have. Okay, now you may notice, by the way, I'm not showing you the members area here. That's because there's nothing to see in the members area. I've done this before in the past where I showed you the members area for the Fire Launchers products. There's really literally nothing to see. It's basically just download links. And so rather than sit here, switching screens and having to do all that stuff, I was like, you know what, who cares? Because it's literally just download links. Okay, but you can see here everything that you're going to be getting with the package. You're going to get all the sales pages, all the graphics, everything included with this package is going to be there for you when you pick this thing up. And again, it's $8.58, folks. Okay, that's really, really all there is to it. Is basically they're practically giving it away, and when you get it with my bonuses, it's really a no-brainer to pick this thing up and grab this thing and run with it, use it. And the reason that I pick up so much of this content, because the reason I buy this stuff over and over and over again, even though I am pretty advanced, I know a lot of this stuff. The reason I buy these things, I own well over 100 different products that I can give away. Now, why would I do something like that? It's actually very, very simple. It's because I know that when I am able to offer more content, I can give stuff away in order to build my list. I can give stuff away in order to create additional value when I'm selling something. That means I'm more likely to make sales. And so I'm telling you the big secret that most of the big gurus have is basically have more content, make more sales. That's really what it's all about. Okay, and you're basically getting ready-made, good quality content that's going to teach you exactly how to do this. And of course, you can learn from this also. You're going to learn how to use Instagram from this, which is awesome. But for me, the value is really in the fact that you get to give this stuff away, and it costs $8.58. What you can buy for $8.58? Do you realize I went out the other day. I bought 2 slices of pizza and a soda. I paid more for 2 slices of pizza and a soda than you pay for this course. That is how insane this course is. Okay, so let's see if I can give it to Max, the product creator, which I kind of gave away that I am, but let's go and see officially if I'm going to.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, that was pretty obvious, to be perfectly honest. That I was going to give it to my hat. I mean, let's face it, I love PLR. It's one of my favorite things, and I own a ton of PLR. I own, like I said, between my own stuff that I've created over the past couple of years that I've been doing this business, plus the content I've purchased PLR, I have well over 100 different items I can give away or sell or mix and match in order to create something. And that's really where you get into being able to make a full-time living, is if you have good quality content you can give away. So yeah, definitely pick this one up. This one is such a no-brainer. For $8.58, you really can't go wrong.